Hello everyone, I am Chase at Rocky Mountain ATV MC coming at you with the Fork Seal Driver Kit from DRC. All right, so today we're taking a closer look at the Fork Seal Driver Kit coming from DRC. Now, if you're not familiar with the Fork Seal Driver, well, what it is a very important tool that is used to seat your oil and your dust seals on your forks when you're changing those. Now, if you've never changed your seals before and you'd like to learn how, well, I have some good news for you. On our website and YouTube channel, we have a lot of great how-to videos for different types of forks where we show you step-by-step how to change your oil and your dust seals. And we also tell you all the tools that are gonna be needed for that specific job. Now, with this kit from DRC, this can be great for any rider, but I think it's ideal for, say, maybe a mechanic, or maybe you're a rider that has a lot of different bikes in your garage, you like to do your fork seals, and rather than having a different fork seal driver for all the different sizes you have, well, you can have this kit, it's gonna have everything you need. So in the kit, you're gonna have 5 different plastic inserts that are gonna fit from 40 up to 50 millimeter forks. So again, it's just a kit, very simple, it's gonna have everything you need. So the body of the driver is gonna be made from steel, so it's super heavy duty, and what I like too is it has this flange down here at the bottom. I think it just gives a nice good grip when you're using it. But as you can see, you're gonna have these red inserts, and it comes in this foam pad, and what's nice is they're held in there really well, so you don't need to worry about those falling out. But all you're gonna do is just take the size that you're gonna need. So for example, if I take these 2 outers here, if we show you here at the top, these are meant to fit a 40 and a 41 millimeter fork. So you're just gonna take that, put it into the outers here, real simple to do. You're gonna have these little flanges. And then once you've done that, you're gonna take obviously the main body, put it around your forks, and there you go. There is your fork seal driver for a 40 and 41 millimeter fork. And again, you're gonna be able to have that from a 40 all the way up to a 50 millimeter. And that is it. That is the Fork Seal Driver Kit coming from DRC. Again, awesome tool to have for changing your fork seals, especially if you have multiple bikes and you don't want to have a separate fork seal driver for all the different sizes. If you guys have any questions about these, you can comment below, give us a call or chat live online. We'll get your questions answered. And to pick yours up, you can click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. But don't forget, make sure to subscribe to us on YouTube and watch those how-to videos if you haven't changed your oil and your dust seals before, but you would like to learn how to. I'm Chase at Rocky Mountain, and we'll see you on the trails.